What's going on, guys? Code Expert here, and we are back with yet another amazing tutorial series, and this time we are going to build a decentralized application on Ethereum platform, which is one of the most popular platforms available there. And before going further, I just want to tell you guys that what we are going to cover in this tutorial series and what you expect to learn. Alright, so unlike our other tutorial series, this tutorial series is not going to be really big tutorial series, just 4 or 5 tutorials mostly, and in those tutorials you will learn all of the basics of Ethereum blockchain and how to build a decentralized application and everything. Alright, so everything basic will be covered in this tutorial series. You might wonder, guys, that why we want to have another tutorial series when we already have this one on our channel with very extensive covering of topics. So this has been in 2018 and there has been a lot of development since there, and we want you guys to get updated because Ethereum 2 development is in the next phase now, and you should be equipped with that. So before going further, in this video, the first video of this tutorial series, we will just cover the basics of Ethereum, the references and installation instructions, and the requirements that you need to have before building a decentralized application. Alright, so the best resource that you can get is ethereum.org. Alright, this is the official website of Ethereum, and here you can have all of the references that you want. There is a option here for developers. You can go to developer resources here and check out all of the resources for developers and developing on the different languages and everything. So this is the best platform you have for references. If you are very new and don't know what Ether is, you can just click here and what is Ether here. You can also get started, developer resources. You can read Ethereum white paper as well to get the idea of what Ether is. And there's all sorts of information available, guys, and I hope that you guys will go through all of this site references and get yourself equipped with the knowledge. All right, after that, there is another beautiful studio, the package on the web, you might say, that we are not going to use that, but it's just for the fun use of your own. So you can just explore this website. So go to studio.ethereum.org and you can explore this website and learn more about how to build the decentralized applications on Ethereum. All right, don't worry about the references, guys. I will link them in the description below. So the next one is etherscan.io, which is a block explorer site of Ethereum. So you can see that all of the transactions available here, everything, all of the tokens and their properties and everything. You can go to the resources and then charts and stats to get the charts of all of the Ethereum transaction and all the blockchain properties. Everything is available here. So this site will also be linked in the description below. After that, if you want to learn more about what are the different types of cryptocurrencies, what are the different types of blockchains and everything, just go to coinmarketcap.com, and here you can see there's a lot of cryptocurrencies available, and you can just click on any one of them. For example, Ripple is here, and you can just browse to it. There is a website, explorer, and market pairs, social tools, everything is there. This is a price chart and short description. So this site is also really nice and you should explore this one. So moving forward, after we are equipped with this basic knowledge, we can now go to a little bit deeper one. All right, so what we can do now is this is another reference that we have. So don't worry, guys, if you don't understand anything on these sites or anything, we are going to cover all of these things. Just follow with me and you will build the decentralized application in the end of the tutorial series. All right, so these are just for your references, so don't panic out. I'm just telling you because you must have these references afterwards in the future. All right, so this is the web3.js reference, that this is the library JavaScript API for Ethereum, and we are going to use this thing to actually extract the information from the blockchain to the web browser. All right, after that we are going to also give you this Solidity reference, which is solidity.readthedocs.io, and here you can see that all of our smart contracts in the Ethereum blockchain are written on Solidity language, and there is a good reference available here. We also have a tutorial series on Solidity. You can go to our channel and watch that tutorial series if you are unaware. All right, after these basic references, let's go to some requirements. All right, so the thing that you need most is Node.js. So just type on node install and click on first link here, nodejs.org/download, and you can download the Node.js software for all of the operating systems available. All right, this is required for our development. Then this one is metamask.io. So metamask is a browser extension like this. So what this does is it connects your browser to the Ethereum blockchain. All right, so I'm not going to go into the details of how this works, but we need this thing to interact with the Ethereum blockchain. All right, so you can just download it here, or you can get on the Chrome Web Store as well. If you have a Brave browser or similar browser which is having inbuilt cryptocurrency wallets or MetaMasks, then you don't need to install this thing. All right, after that, Sublime Text is my favorite text editor. So I use this one, but you are free to use anything you want. It has really nice things available, so I use this thing. So you can download it for Mac, whatever version you have in this download section. After that, this one is remix.ethereum.org. This is a remix IDE, and we are going to use this one to build our smart contracts and deploy them on the blockchain. All right, so in our previous tutorial series that we have shown, we had all of this lots of garbage of truffle integration and Ganache integration and everything. So in this tutorial we are not going to use any of these things, and this is going to be a really simple tutorial series. All right, so it's a good thing that Ethereum developers have done it very easy now to build the decentralized applications. The next thing that you need is a basic knowledge of HTML and JavaScript. Even if you don't need it, even if you don't have it, just follow with me and you will be fine, I guess. All right, the last but not least, this is our GitHub page, and this is a very important repository for you, and you should fork this thing by clicking here. So this is optional thing, guys. If you don't have GitHub account, then in the next tutorial I will show you how to manage with that, but I recommend you to sign in and then fork it to your own repository, so that you will have a good time playing with this repository. All right, you can also make it star and watch the changes in this repository if you are interested in it. All right, so just click on fork after you create this GitHub account, and in the next tutorial we are going to start building the decentralized application. All right, so we are going to use this this repository. So in the tags, there is a template tag, and this template tag, we are going to use this template, and you can use this template to actually have any decentralized application built. All right, so we are going to use this thing and build the decentralized application on the top of it. All right, so I'm really excited, guys, to have a good time with you, and I guess you will also enjoy coding with me. So thank you very much, guys. Let's meet in the next video.